Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable translation and language auto-detection on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to enable translation and language auto-detection on Skype can greatly enhance communication, especially when chatting with people who speak different languages. By enabling this feature, Skype can automatically translate message into your preferred language, making it easier to understand and respond to conversations. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Skype app on your device. Well, so here tap on profile icon at the corner. After that, select settings option. Okay, and in this page, select privacy menu and look for translation and language auto-detection. Next, tap on the option, then select enable here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable translation and language auto-detection on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.